Here we have a Milwaukee variable speed magnetic base drill press. It does operate. However, the bolt holes right here were stripped out during shipping. And either this base has to be replaced, or you can do a helicoil or something in there. The back side of this is in real good condition though. Alright, so we're going to fire it up. We turn the magnet on, we check the magnet. It operates nice. Alright, so here's the variable speed, as you can see. That's forward, hit the E-stop, and we'll go in reverse. Again, adjust it to variable speed control. Shut the unit off. It comes with a check key, 3 handles, tie down chain, and we included the actual bolts that go in there. And we thank you for looking at our